Hello students and welcome to my channel. So today we are going to study trigonometry part 2. As I told in my part 1 video that in part 1 we discussed about the trigonometric ratios, and in this video, that is in part 2, we will be discussing trigonometric ratios of specific angles. And now what are those specific angles? See, we will study trigonometric ratios in 0 degree angle, 30 degree angle, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. Now all the trigonometric ratios will study in these specific angles only. So very first trigonometric ratio which we are going to study is sine. Sine 0. See, I will be telling you one trick over here. This is your hand. You consider this value as 0 degree, this 30 degree, and this is 45 degree, this is 60 degree and this is 90 degree. Sine 0. इस फिंगर के नीचे I don't have any finger, तो it will be √0 and हमेशा नीचे 2 करना ही करना है. Sine 30. This is sine 30. इसके नीचे कितनी उंगली कितनी फिंगर्स हैं? There is only one finger, तो √1 और नीचे हमेशा 2. Sine 45. This is 45 ना, this finger is 45. तो इसके नीचे below this finger how many fingers are there? 2 fingers. So it will be square root of 2 by 2. देखिए जो भी आता है वो स्क्वायर रूट में ही लिखना है, नीचे 2 लिखना ही लिखना है. Sin 60 we are having 3 fingers, so √3 divided by 2. Similarly, if I say sin 90, this is sin 90, so we are having 4 fingers below this, so √4 by 2. Thus here we'll get 0, here we'll get 1 by 2, here we'll get, अगर हम इसको फिर से rationalize कर, I mean this 2 we can write as √2 into √2, so we will get over here what? 1 by √2, here we'll get √3 by 2, and here square root of 4 it will become 2, 2 by 2 is 1. Now in similar manner, so what values we have got over here, I'll be writing once again over here, I'll write fast quick over here that what are the values I got. So the values which we got over here, sine 0 is 0, sine 30 is 1 by 2, sine 45 is 1 by √2, sine 60 √3 by 2, sine 90 is 1. Now in similar way we will find the values of cos. So cos 0 is what? जो cos sin 90. Similar way अगर हम देखें तो हम पहले क्या कर रहे थे, साइन की वैल्यूज निकालने के लिए इसके नीचे देख रहे थे. For cos this is 0, this is 30, this is 45, this is 60 and this is 90. For cos 0 इसके ऊपर कितनी फिंगर्स हैं? 4. तो स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 4 by 2, स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 4 by 2, thus the answer is 1. Sin 30 ये, अब इसके ऊपर 1 2 3, तो स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 3 by 2. Sin 45, so this is 45, this will be square root of 2 by 2. Sin 60, this is 60, so this is 1, square root of 1 by 2. Now sin 90, इसके ऊपर एक भी फिंगर नहीं है, तो square root of 0 by 2. This will be 0 only, this will be 1 by 2 and this will be what? 1 by √2. So in this manner we have got the values of sine and cos. अगर हमको tan की वैल्यू निकालनी है तो इनका अपॉन कर देंगे. See, we have formula as I told in my previous video that tan theta is equals to was sin theta by cos theta, and tan का opposite is what? Cot theta, so it will be cos theta upon sin theta. Cosec theta is reciprocal of sin theta and sec theta is reciprocal of cos theta. And we can write one more thing, cot theta is reciprocal of tan theta. So this is all about the values of cosec, sec and cot theta. Ab tan theta 0 by 1, sin by cos. 0 by 1 is 0 only. 1 by 2 upon √3 by 2. So it will be 1 by √3. Here we will get 1. इसको करेंगे तो we'll get √3 and 1 by 0 is not defined. Now cosec, sec and cot. तो cosec क्या हो जाएगा? Reciprocal of sin, and sec reciprocal of cos, and cot reciprocal of tan. तो 0 का reciprocal that is 1/0, तो not defined. 1/2 का reciprocal 2, 1/√2 का reciprocal √2, 2/√3, and here will be 1. So this is how we have got the values of cosec. Sec, reciprocal of cos, 1, 2/√3, √2, this is 2, and this is not defined. 0 का reciprocal not defined. Tan का reciprocal is cot, तो tan का reciprocal this is not defined. √3, 1, और ये हो जाएगा 1/√3, and this will become what? 1/infinity is 0. So this is how we have come to know that how can we calculate trigonometric ratios of some specific angles. Specific angles, that is 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90 degree. Now we will solve the question related to this concept. So now the question is, evaluate sin 60 cos 30 plus sin 30 cos 30. So we'll put the values of sin 60. Sin 60 क्या था? √3/2. Cos 30 is also √3/2. Sin 30 हम डायरेक्ट कैलकुलेट करते हैं, 0, 1, 30 था, तो ये 1 फिंगर है नीचे, तो ऑब्वियसली 1/2. Cos 60 0, 30, 45, 60, तो इसके यहाँ भी 1 फिंगर है, तो इट विल बी वॉट? 1/2. √3 into √3, 3/4 plus 1/4, thus the answer is 4/4, hence answer will be what? 1. In similar manner, we'll solve next question. Cos 45, 0, 30, 45, 45 के ऊपर 2 fingers, तो square root of 2/2, that is 1/√2. Sec 30 मतलब cos 30 का opposite, तो हम cos 30 देखते हैं, 0 and 30, 30 के ऊपर √3 fingers, 3 fingers, √3/2, तो इसका आंसर हो जाएगा 2/√3. Cosec 30, 0, 30 मतलब साइन का है, तो साइन के नीचे 1 फिंगर, तो 1/2 होता है इसका आंसर sin 30, तो इसका आ जाएगा 2. सो नाउ विल सॉल्व दिस. हाउ विल सॉल्व इट? इट विल बी 1/2. यहाँ पर हम √3 LCM ले लेंगे, तो दिस विल बी 2√3/√3. √3 ऊपर जाएगा एंड दिस √2 विल कम हियर. सो विल सॉल्व इट. हाउ विल सॉल्व इट? √3 ऊपर गया, √3 बाय √2 into 2 plus 2√3. Now we'll rationalize it. तो √3 by 2√2 plus 2√6, इसको rationalize करेंगे तो we'll get opposite sign. Opposite sign से ऊपर नीचे हम क्या कर देंगे? multiply. तो √3 into ये आ जाएगा 2√6 minus 2√18. रूट और रूट आपस में मल्टीप्लाई होते हैं. a plus b, a minus b, thus 2√2 square minus 2√6 square. We can take 2 common from here, and √18 I can write √18 as what? 2√3. कैसे देखिए, ये 18 है, 2 9s are, 3 3s are, 3 1s are, तो 3 की पेयरिंग हो गई, सॉरी 3√2, 3 की पेयरिंग हो गई, तो मैं इसको 3√2 लिख सकती हूँ. So I'll write it like 3√2. So 2 I'll take common. Here I'll get √6 minus 3√2 by 2. √2 का स्क्वायर 2 and 2 का स्क्वायर 4, 4 2s are 8 minus 2 का स्क्वायर 4 and √6 का स्क्वायर 6, 4 into 6 24. So here minus sign will come, so we'll interchange numerator. So we'll get 3√2 minus √6 by minus 16 only, because minus 16 आता तो हमने न्यूमरेटर को चेंज कर दिया. तो we have got 16, 2 8s are 16, thus आंसर क्या आएगा? 3√2 minus √6 by 8. So this is how we'll solve the questions that are related to the trigonometric ratios of specific angles. What are those specific angles? We have already discussed 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90 degree. Now we will see next question. So the question is sin 30 plus tan 45 minus cosec 60 upon sec 30 plus cos 60 plus cot 45. Now how we will solve this question? We will put the values of whatever trigonometric ratios of specific angles given over here. Sin 30 1 by 2. अब हमको समझ में आ गया tan 45 की 1 है. Cosec 60 sin 60 का उल्टा होता है तो 2 by root 3. Sec 30 cos 30 का उल्टा होता है. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2. It will be 2 by root 3. Cos 60 is 1 by 2. Then cot 45 is 1. We'll take LCM in numerator and denominator part both. So in numerator part we'll get 2 root 3. So we'll get root 3 plus 2 root 3 minus 2 into 2 4. Similarly in denominator part 2 root 3 LCM हमने लिया. Here we got 4 plus root 3 plus 2 root 3. So this and this got cancelled. Thus in numerator part we got 3 root 3 minus 4 and in denominator 3 root 3 और 2 root 3 add हो जाएगा 3 root 3 plus 4. We'll rationalize it. 3 root 3 minus 4 by 3 root 3 minus 4. So we'll get ऊपर हम a minus b whole square की आइडेंटिटी पुट करेंगे. So 3 root 3 a square minus 2ab 3 root 3 into 4 plus b square. Similarly a plus b, a minus b 3 root 3 square minus 4 square. So 3 3s are 9 and root 3 का square is 3. We'll get 27 minus 2 4s are 8 3s are 24 root 3 plus 4 का square is 16 by 3 का square 9 into 3 27 minus 16. तो 27 plus 16 I'll get 6 7 13 43 minus 24 root 3 by 7 minus 6 1 11. So this is the answer of the question which we took now. So now we have come to know how we can solve the trigonometric ratios of specific angles. Now we'll be discussing one more question. So the question is tan a plus b. Tan of a plus b is root 3. Tan of a minus b is 1 by root 3. अब देखिए हमको मालूम है रूट 3 वैल्यू हमको कब मिलती है 60 में. Tan 60 is root 3 ना. We have discussed. So I'll get what tan 60 root 3. तो ये tan and tan cancel. तो a plus b I'll get what 60. Similarly 1 by root 3 value कब मिलती है? That is the value of tan 30. 1 by root 3 is the value of tan 30. Thus tan and tan will be cancelled. So a minus b is what 30 degree. We'll solve this linear equation. Minus plus minus. This will be cancelled. 2b equal 30 degree. So b is what 15 degree. In similar way we'll find out the value of a. So we'll put in equation number 1 value of b, putting angle b is equals to, putting b is equals to 15 degree in equation 1. So a plus 15 equals 60. A is equals to what 45 degree. So answer is what? A is 45 degree and B is 15 degree. So we have seen how can we solve the trigonometric ratios of specific angles, and this is all about the trigonometric ratios of specific angles. We have also discussed the tricks. How can we remember these trigonometric ratios of specific angles 0, 30 degree, 45, 60, 90. So this is how we have completed with the part 2 video of trigonometry. Hope you guys like my video. So please do share and subscribe my videos. Thank you.